Lesson 9.
Hermano.
Okay, in this one we have an important pronunciation tip, and that's concerning the letter H, right, Antonio?
In Spanish, the letter H is always silent.
So you'll never ever say an H in Spanish?
Never. In English, whenever a word starts with the letter H, it has a h sound, like Herman. But in Spanish, the letter H is always silent. So you basically start with the second letter of the word. In this case, the letter E, which it's in Spanish is letter E. So you would say hermano as opposed to hermano.
Okay, so let me get this straight. You'll never ever say an H in Spanish. You'll never pronounce it. You'll just pretend like it's not there, right?
That's correct.
So instead of saying hermano, we would say hermano.
Yes, always silent.
Okay, well, we'll keep that in mind as we go through these exercises. And hermano is masculine, so we'll need to have masculine articles in front of it, correct?
That's correct.
Okay, let's jump into these exercises. In number 1, we have the word hermano. Of course, the H at the beginning is silent. So number 1, we'll simply say brother. In number 2, we have the same word, hermano, but this time it's being introduced by an indefinite article. In this case, the word un. Since hermano is masculine, the article also has to be masculine. So number 2, we'll say a brother. In number 3, we have a definite article, the definite article el, which is masculine, and that's introducing the masculine word hermano. So number 3 says the brother. In number 4, we have the feminine noun niña by itself without an article. So number 4 will say girl. In number 5, we have that same noun, niña, but in this case it's being introduced by a definite article, the article la. Since niña is feminine, it requires a feminine article. So number 5 will say the girl. In number 6, we have the word niño by itself without an article. So number 6 will say boy. In number 7, we have the same word, niño, but it's being introduced by a masculine definite article, el. So number 7 will say the boy. In number 8, we have the same word, niño, but it's being introduced by an indefinite article. Again, since niño is masculine, it requires a masculine article, in this case, un. So number 8 will say a boy. In number 9, we have the word niño and the word niña, each being introduced by a definite article, and with the word e in the middle. So number 9 will say the boy and the girl. Number 10 is very similar to number 9, but in a different order. So number 10 will say the girl and the boy.